Okay, welcome to Chabit Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bisamba. This is my telephone number and our email, that is elearning@chabit.net. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to make a continuation of how can we tell the time, how can we read the time. This is a continuation of our recent video, and we are able to learn about how we can show time, how we can tell time, how we can demonstrate and read the time, that is in minutes, seconds, and hours. And we are able to hover over this and see how we do them. Okay, showing more about this, this is what we are able to learn about. How can we show a clock face, and we are able to concentrate and learn about this. We are able to see and demonstrate how do we write a 9:30, how do we write the 20 minutes to 11. Please, if you missed out the other video, please be able to go back before you watch this video, because to help you to learn and make a continuation and move with us on the same pace. Okay, so in today's video, let me show you. We shall be able to look at changing hours into what? Into minutes. We shall be able to look at changing hours into minutes. All right. So in changing hours into minutes, you shall be able to understand if they give you hours, how do you change those hours to the minutes? If you have been given those minutes or those hours, how do you change them to the minutes? Okay, so we have an example here. We have an example here. They are saying change 4 hours to minutes. Okay, change 4 hours to minutes. Okay, to demonstrate this more, let me show you a pen tool here. Get a pen tool here. Okay, get a pen tool here. They want us to change the 4 hours to what? To minutes. 4 hours to what? Minutes. So they want us to change 4 hours. 4 hours to what? To minutes. Okay, 4 hours to minutes. Now, in so doing this, if we want to change these 4 hours to minutes, I remember in our last topic we are able to talk about what we call seconds. Okay, we are able to talk about seconds. We are able to talk about minutes. Okay, we are able to talk about minutes. We are able to talk about hours. Okay, hours. This is S, hours. So we said 60 seconds. We said 60 seconds. We said 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay, then we said 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, our 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. But now here they want us to change the 4 hours. Should change 4 hours to minutes. That means we shall be able to say if 1 minute okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. They want us to change to 60. They want us to change to minutes, but here we have how many? We have 4 hours. So that means, okay, let me cross this. We shall be able to look at, we are looking at minutes, we are looking at hours and minutes. If 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, how about the 4 hours? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. How about the 4 hours? So that means we shall be having hour 4. Okay, we shall be having hour 4. Hour 4 hours, then times the 60. We shall multiply, please, because this has to increase. So here we shall be able to come up with what? With the answer. What is 0 times 4? Shall get a 0. Okay, what is 6 times 4? What is 6 times 4? 6 times 2, 12, and that is 24. Okay, 20 what? 24. So these are going to be minutes. Okay, so this is how we do solve when they give you a number in hours to what? To minutes. Okay, so this means, and this is what they were able to say. They will say if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then the 4 hours will be equal to 4 times the what? The 60 minutes. Then they will be able to come up with the answer. Okay, another number was how many minutes are in 3¼ hours? 3¼ hours. How many minutes are in 3¼ hours? Okay, let me draw here. We have 3. Okay, we have 3¼ Okay, 3¼ Okay, let me rub this. We have our 3¼ A quarter is written as 1 out of 4. A quarter is what? Is written as 1 out of 4. So that means these are hours. They have said these are what? These are hours. But they want us to change this into what? Into minute. That means we shall be able to say if 1 hour, like we said up there, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and then that means 3 hours will be equal to 3 times the 60. Okay, times the what? Times the 60. Okay, we can close bracket here. So here shall be able to come up with 60 what? This plus this, what is this? 0 times 3 shall get a what? Shall get a 0. What is 6 times 3? The answer is what? Is 18. Answer is what? Is 18. Okay, so we have so far completed this for hours. How about now a quarter? So we can also say a quarter. A quarter is what? A quarter plus a quarter times the 60. Okay, so we shall say by 2 by 2 to by 2 30. Okay, by 2 what? 30. Also by 2 1, and also by 2 15. So that means a quarter is 15 minutes. So here we shall be able to say hour 180 minutes, then plus the 15. 15 what? 15 minutes. So here we shall be able to come up with 195 minutes. Okay, so we can declare this as our minutes that they roughly wanted. Alright, so here we have been able to come up with the answer that they did. So we are saying 1.5 quarter is equal to 3 times this, then times hours, and they were able to come up with the same value. However, the method they used, they say 3 times 1.5, which is the same as how is equal to this, how is equal to this, how is equal to this. Okay, so they used the same method where they were saying 1 hour is equal to 60 what minutes, then the 3 hours will be 3 times 60, which they got 180, the one we got, and a quarter, which is the same as 15, the one we were able to calculate, that a quarter is the same as what? 15 here, what we're able to get. So in roughly, when you're asked to calculate hours, if they talk about a half and they talk about a quarter, you should be able to calculate by knowing that the 60 seconds is 60 seconds makes one minute, and 60 minutes makes what? 1 hour, for you to be able to understand and calculate the numbers in minutes. So for this, hope this was very wonderful and everyone has been able to understand. So I do say thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Check out the playlist below for the lessons that you might have missed, and also be able to subscribe to support our channel for us to get the upcoming resources. Okay, so have a nice time. God bless you so much.